Hello, welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done a Autowatch Ghost 2 on a 2019 Audi S5. Key here. Customer super paranoid, went to sell his vehicle on Facebook. Someone's copied his logbook, got ordered a key, and they're super paranoid. Okay, so how the system works, someone jumps in with their clone key, tries to start it, vehicle cuts out. As you can see, vehicle just cuts out. Okay, if I try and start it, just won't start. Okay, so every time the customer jumps in the car without their foot on the brake, main ignition on, insert their code on here. We've done something very basic, so 1 2 3 4. Watch for the indicators double flash, and now we can start the vehicle. Okay, really simple, really straightforward. When you turn off the ignition on the VAG stuff, it takes about 30 seconds for it to arm. Now, if you want to take the car for a service, you want to put it in valet mode, this is very, very simple. So main ignition on, pass your authorization by putting your code in. So 1 2 3 4, wait for a double flash. Now, if you hit the driver's window up 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5, you'll get 5 flashes. This is now in valet mode. So basically, as long as you don't go over 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes and 1 second, it won't jump out of valet mode. If you do 100 miles an hour, which I don't recommend, for say 14 minutes and 59 seconds to stop and restart, it'll be fine. Okay. Now, when you get the vehicle back, if you want to take it out of valet mode, main ignition on, just insert your code. It'll jump out of valet mode. There you go, 2 flashes, and it's out of valet mode. So if I give it 30 seconds for it to set, then I'll show you the vehicle's immobilised. Also, I'm going to show you how to change the code, which is straightforward, and the procedure is main ignition on, insert your code, get your double flash so you've passed authorization, and then put your foot down on the accelerator, repeat the same code. When it begins to flash, you're in learn mode. Okay, do your push sequence, making sure that every button you press, you'll get a flash on the indicators. You get 3 flashes once you put the first code in. Repeat the new code again. Make sure you get 2 flashes and not 4, and it'll be stored. Okay, let's just see if it's immobilised now. Vehicle's immobilised, you can see it cut out. Okay. See, let's have a cranking. Okay, so now we're going to change the code. So main ignition on, insert the original code, wait for your double flash, foot to the floor on the accelerator, repeat the same code again. Watch carefully. Now it's beginning to flash. Foot off the accelerator. I'm going to do a new code. I'm going to do left, left, right, right. So watch carefully. Wait for 3 flashes. Repeat the same code again, the new one. Left, left, right, right. Make sure you get 2 flashes. Okay, code is now learnt. So give it about 10 seconds just to test it for the old code and the new code, or should I say let's test it for the new code. So start button on. Let's try the new code. Left, left, right, right. Watch. There's your new code. Start the vehicle. As I said, this is the Autowatch Ghost 2 fitted to an Audi S5. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 02890604778. 02890604778. Thank you very much. Bye bye.